1-1. Hello. Okay, finally. Looks like battery decided to give up on me, but I am back. That's what you get from wireless microphones. Testing different one that I actually started with this channel. I wanted to see how it's gonna sound because like when I move my hand around, I noticed that there's a lot of like volume up and down. So maybe wireless microphone might come a little bit better, but at the same time, it's picking up a lot of noise from around. So I don't know what will be the final result, but yeah, anyway, not important at this moment. So today we are back to the community module for OS Our Keys. And last time we had quite a good progress, a lot of keys implemented, but there was one more issue, and the issue was with the mod keys. So I was trying to make it work in a way that when I hit Control, it will be swapped to GUI and vice versa on a Mac. And for some reason it doesn't quite work the way I intended to. There is some odd issue. Like it seems like it should work okay, because like when we get the event press, we change this, so we detect OS, right, and we unregister the mod that is control, and we register the mod that is GUI, and we set up this variable to like a guardrail, and that's it. I think that should do it, but yeah, it doesn't quite work like it. And yeah, I think one more thing I think I forgot, because I had to change my keyboard settings on my Mac, and yeah, I guess I have to revert that. Give me a sec, because like currently it might be, oh come on. Stuff never works. Okay, let's go back, keyboard, and okay, back to defaults. Okay, that's the wrong one. Okay, it's not connect right now. Damn it. Okay, back to defaults. Alright, so I guess we should be able to test that. I forgot to close the window. Good luck trying that with the finger. Alright. Should be good right now. So let's take a look what is actually happening here. Why wouldn't it work? Even though it looks kind of sane. Or maybe insane. Okay, first of all I need to uncomment this part. Yeah, those keys, they don't really matter too much, because this is something completely different. So yeah, I don't have to like return from processing the mods over here. I don't have to jump out from process record user. Process record, this is OSA keys actually, so yeah. But that's the function that will be getting all the input. Okay, so what is the problem over here? Why won't it work for us? And the funny thing is that when I run it, at first there is no output, but then after some time I will start getting, like every time I press, I will get like change. Then when I press again, is it changed? I think I had to check this out. How was it working? First of all, we need to compile. All right, and would be nice to upload this somehow. Okay, so on Windows there is no change, so basically there is nothing to check over here, but going to Mac, okay, here we are. Move this a little bit out of the way, so yeah, because there won't be that much text. So if I press Control right now, yeah, this should be command, but it's not swapping, and at the same time I don't see any output on the console. That kind of sucks. So then if I change this is what? This is now command, right? Yeah, so it's not swapping at all, and at the same time there is no output from the console, which is rather odd, because like I think it should output something. But for example, if I think if I press both of them at the same time, okay, now we are getting something, you see? Yeah, it's like cyclic. I don't quite get it. Okay, now what's the problem? Yeah, it's very odd. Okay, so why wouldn't it work? And I mean, it works, but in a very odd way. So this event is kind of okay. So when we press it, we would like to check what mods, or maybe at that time no mods are set. Okay, maybe that might be the issue. Yeah, okay, now when I think about it, that might be maybe a problem, because maybe we are trying to change that before like the keyboard even tries to process that. So maybe we can do two things about it. We should either return, maybe, so no further processing. That would make sense, maybe. I think I'm gonna do it a little bit different way. Instead of like sending stuff, although let's do it. Let's do false, and over here false as well. Well, we need to, okay, because when we process something, we need to return false, right? So, I mean, over here doesn't really matter. It can be true as well. So that would mean that we swap the key. And we can go like this. So if we swap the key, then return false. So no further processing, just like, no, go away. It could be the problem that like we are changing this too fast. So we could either do it, I mean, probably the issue is over here with the event pressed. If we weren't looking for that, we could just copy this whole code, skip the event part, and just, you know, while we are running, just, you know, change all the time. Without even checking, but yeah, but okay, right. But we still have our variable, so yeah, I guess we still need to check. Okay, we still need to check, I suppose, because otherwise we won't be able to tell like when the key has been released. So we don't need to. I mean, we can still look for the keys to be swapped, because like if we remove this, it will be swapping like all the time, like we had it before. It kind of broke the Mac. Okay, maybe this will work. And a quick compilation. I forgot to hide this stuff. Oh nice, we have an error. And what seems to be the problem? What? Okay. Okay. Okay, so if we didn't change anything, then yeah, then we just let it go. Probably there is not a mod key coming in, there's some other key. Back on the Mac, what do we have now? If I hold this, shit, still control. And okay, this one, okay, so it's still not changing. Well, I don't quite get it. What is the problem here? But now at least it's changing. So looks like there is something wrong with the activation. And the funny thing is that if I press both at the same time, it starts working. But over here in the code, there is no check that will check if both of them are on at the same time, because we are checking either one of them. Let's go back and refresh our memory about mod keys. Modifiers, okay, modifier keys. Yeah, we still have to take a look at the one-shots, but that will be definitely later. And there's a little bit more stuff that I wanted to do today. Yeah, we have mouse, we have to force OS somehow, and the one-shots. So plenty of stuff to do. Yeah, so I am checking it correctly over here, like get mods, and then you do bitwise and with the mask. So basically the same stuff that I'm doing over here. And what is interesting is that like it doesn't work with just one key. If I press one, nothing happens. If I press the other one, also nothing happens. If I press both at the same time, then it starts working, but very weirdly, because if I press control to change control to a left GUI or to command, and then it will change it back. So it's like every other time. What is a little bit confusing, to say the least. Well, this looks kind of simple code. I'm very confused. Very confused. We check for the mask control. If we are on a Mac, we just unregister it. And then we register GUI or like command, right? Then we say that it was swapped. And we should print stuff. And yeah, but why wouldn't it, like at the same time, it's a little bit confusing because you don't know if the printout isn't coming because of some error, or maybe there is some buffer issue, and that's why you're not seeing the output. Although it was working quite reliably before. Okay, maybe let's add some more stuff. Okay, control detected like this. Over here I'm gonna drop a left GUI like this. Although I would be surprised if it was getting here, but like not, I mean, it has to work because this worked before. Okay, this part is kind of interesting. Are we switching it off correctly? So let's say we have a control, we swap it to command, then we release. Yeah, I think we should deregister. So yeah, probably I am missing something over here as well. I think we have to focus on this part, because when you release the key, you should deregister the mod key at the same time. So we have to, we can do it like this, also split into two. So if it's not a key press, and if it's a mod control, then we have to unregister code, and we're gonna do mod mask control. Okay, and get mod and mod mask GUI. Also unregister mod mask GUI like this, and okay, was swapped false. Now I'm kind of thinking, should I keep this this part? Okay, let's try compiling it. Let's see how it works like this. No changes on Windows, at least for now, so it looks okay. Okay, let's go with the Mac. Okay, what do we have now? Ah, shit. Why wouldn't it change anything? And of course, there's no output. Still control. That shouldn't be control. And that shouldn't be meta. Oh. Okay, what am I doing wrong here? And the funny part is that only when I press both of them at the same time, only then I am getting any kind of output from the console. It looks like it's triggering it. Makes absolutely no sense. Yeah, maybe if we want to save some time on swapping left and right, I guess maybe we can start checking this on Windows as well. So maybe we can do it. What would be the constant? Probably OS Windows Win. Okay, OS Windows. Right, so let's change that to OS Windows. Maybe there is something wrong with this Mac. I mean, I doubt, but okay, let's change that to Windows, and let's see how it behaves on Windows. The issue here being is that it might bite us back in terms of stream, where you might have some issues. Okay, so GUI control. Technically, I should have done it maybe faster, trying to check first on Windows and then move it to Mac. All this swapping. I wonder if you will be getting any more output on Windows from this keyboard. No, it's the same. Okay, so it's also not swapping those keys. That is very odd. Yeah, so this is Control, that should be Windows key. And yeah, only if I press both at the same time, I am getting some kind of an output. Yeah, and now it's like swapping Control, Windows, Control, Windows. That doesn't make sense. Okay, what is happening here? Okay, does it work? Okay, yet another thing broken. What is the problem over here? That is interesting that it doesn't quite work. Maybe this is not about pressed events. Maybe we should just, check. What is wrong with this keyboard right now? now shift stopped working. Okay, it's working here. Oh. Okay, yeah. I guess something is locked. Probably control. Right, so maybe that wasn't a good idea to be checking on Windows. Now I have keys locked. I don't know which one. Oh boy. Okay, so I guess we have to go back to checking on Mac, because like, yeah, there's a risk that we might lock some keys, some modifiers, and the keyboard won't clean them, and then it's kind of difficult to, you know, get it back. And if I break the stream, that will be not good, I suppose. So yeah, we're gonna punish the Mac instead. I can even reboot it, no problem, if it gets really bad and I can't reboot this machine. Okay, so what were we supposed to do? Ah yes, I was supposed to do this. So maybe this is not a key press for the mod key. So I think I will try to change that. So I won't be looking for a key press. I will be looking just what mods are being set. Right, something is still. So far it's going great. Visual Studio doesn't want to cooperate. Oh, come on. Work. What is wrong with you? I don't want to update. For some reason, I can't move around. Like, okay, arrows work, but they don't seem to work on Visual Studio. What the hell? What a joke. And still nothing. What the hell? No, I think something is still locked. Oh, damn it. Okay, let's try to save the situation by just sending, what's the name? Unregister all mods. yes, clear modes. Okay, we're gonna try that. And I hope it's gonna help. Let's go over here. I can only type. Okay, backspace is not working. Holy shit. How much worse can it get? Yeah, that is the beauty of doing keyboard building streams. When you kill the PC. Okay, what can I do about that? Okay, let's use this. Okay, it's not cleaning. Okay, clear all with clear mods. Damn it. I hope that will solve the issue with the keyboard. Okay, I can't save, I can't do anything. Okay, save all, clear mods. Okay, and over here, can I even send? Run task, upload. Okay, the question is if clearing the mods, was it clearing only on the keyboard or was it clearing on the PC? That is also a good question. And the keyboard is not working. I have no arrows, I have nothing. Holy shit. God damn it. What happened? Something. I think Windows is locked. Oh, come on, why won't you clear it? As you can see over here, the Windows key is locked, which is not good. Oh shit. Okay, let's try to save it, maybe. Somehow. I don't know how. Good that it's not control that is locked right now. I wouldn't be able to move or click anything. Okay, so we cleared the mods. Okay, clear mods, reset. But how can I? Okay, maybe I will just do unregister mods and just send 0. I hope that will help. Yeah, good luck trying to backspace that. Okay, unregister mod. My god, I have to use on-screen keyboard just to fix this shit. That is hilarious. Okay, unregister moves 0. Right, let's send that. And if that doesn't help, then it's gonna be great. Okay. This good thing is that arrows work in the terminal. I mean, I can still type the whole command to compile the firmware, but you know, at least a little bit of convenience. And looks like nothing happens. Oh, okay, I managed to. Okay, so it's either this or this. Okay. Ah, shit. Yeah, looks like with every key now, it's swapping. Yeah, so that was a good idea to do that. Do we have arrows? No. Okay, I'm gonna try copy and paste. Okay, does it? Guess I have to remove these, so I don't want any swapping to happen. At least for now. Okay, let's cut this. Okay, save. What was the... Okay, clear modes. Reset the modifier state by disabling all modes and... Okay, so maybe instead of doing unregister modes, maybe I will just do register, but I will just do 0, like this. Okay, no change happening anywhere else. Over here I have just unregisters. Okay, maybe I'll be able to save it. Then, what a headache. Okay, I guess it just hit all of the windows. Holy shit. I don't think I'll be able to fix that. Give me a second, guys. Everything just vanished. Yeah, I don't quite get it because like we have this register mods, so it should register 0. Doesn't matter what we do. Okay, don't play with the mods. It's worse than playing with the fire. No, come on, why won't it? Okay, why would it do it like this? Like it's already changed. Yeah, and the Windows key is still locked. And this doesn't actually make too much sense currently because I am sending like reset all the modifiers every time. Like I don't think I'll be even able to hit control. Oh, okay, it works. Okay, do I have an error maybe somewhere? Damn it. Okay, looks like Windows is still locked. Damn it. Okay, let me try one more keyboard. Maybe like non-QMK keyboard will help, like resolve that. Whatever have I done? Give me a second, guys. Look how low I have fallen. I have to use a standard QWERTY keyboard. Isn't that a punishment enough already? Please, please, please work. Oh wow, now we have all the keys on. Take a look. Okay, this one doesn't work at all. And the question is it because the wire is not fully attached? Looks like it has power, but maybe that's just... Oh boy. Okay, one more sec. This one, I think it has Bluetooth. What a mess. Oh, come on, connect. What is happening? Work, work, work. Okay, screw it. I think I need to reboot, so I guess the stream will be cut in 2 pieces. I will be right back, guys. Stay tuned. If I can only reboot machine. Okay, what a mess, what a mess. And now it makes me wonder, maybe I was also messing up the Mac, so then the control and stuff wasn't working the way it was supposed to work. No idea. Okay, so see you soon.